Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted since a very long time, so today I thought I'll just make a video for all of you, telling you, giving you life update and so many other things. So a lot of you, I made a Instagram video on what is happening in internship and how is internship going. So internship is quite hectic for me, and I really thought I'll be able to manage multiple things together, like clinic, going to the gym, internship, and everything else. But however, I realized that no, I cannot have everything at the same time because it is physically demanding. Going to college every day at 8 and coming back at 4, seeing patients all day is really demanding. And post that, if you plan to go to a clinic, if you can do it, if your body permits you to, then definitely you should go for it. Otherwise, do not put that pressure on yourself कि तुमको कुछ prove करना है, because उस pressure में you will be missing out on a lot of things. So 2-3 things that I want to tell you, which is like a very like I have experienced this, that is why I'm advising you if you're going through your internship. If you are one of those people who is not able to figure out what to do after BDS and you are just studying to crack NEET for your MDS because that is the only thing you think can happen post BDS, then do not put pressure on yourself on to just studying all day and to outperform in NEET, because it is most of the times कि अभी मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि क्या करना है, तो इसलिए मैं पढ़ के नीट का एग्ज़ाम देती हूँ and then I'll figure out. So where you are in life, it never changes. When I was in 12th, post that I had to choose between a lot of things. Luckily I gave so many exams which I cleared all of them. Then also I had a choice of choosing one of all these options which I chose. तब भी मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज थी एंड अब भी मैं उतनी ही कंफ्यूज हूँ. आई डू नॉट नो if I want to study or not. I do not know if I want to put in that much effort for something which I don't know if I want or not. I am just I'm scared. I'm genuinely saying that I'm too scared to not start studying, because if I don't, then I'll have a FOMO because everyone around me is studying. Ashita is my roommate, she is also studying. So if I don't study, eventually it will come in my mind that I'm not doing anything productive and I'm not capable of anything, and a lot more other things will be there in my mind. So the first things first, if you are not sure that if what you want to pursue MDS or not, take your time. Taking time means explore what you like, explore what you like about dentistry, what aspects you want to treat in the future. Like suppose if someone loves prosto, then that person is clear कि at least इस पूरे इसमें dentistry में this is the field I want to specialize in. If someone likes pedo, then they know that they want to treat kids from the very beginning. So with people in my batch, like मतलब मेरा पूरा batch और मेरे time का batch, we are COVID batch, okay? So we haven't got enough exposure to the patients. So if I decide to take up a field, it will be unfair because I haven't explored all the fields very clearly. So the first major point, if you are not able to decide, it's okay. Take your time, know your subject thoroughly and know what you want to do. If not MDS, it's fine. I'm not saying that एक साल का ड्रॉप लेने के बाद when you will study again for NEET नहीं होगा या एडमिशन हो जाएगा. I am not anyone to say that. Or you might get into some branch and then you might not like it. At least be sure, because at this stage of life UG में it is very subjective in some ways, because उसमें ऐसा हो जाता है कि यार डॉक्टर बनना है, ठीक है, तो everybody agrees to BDS, BAMS, BHMS, MBBS, anything. But here you are going to live with that particular subject for the next 3 years of your life. So you have to choose it wisely. I'm not saying that you have to be firm on the fact there are days when you don't like something, but this is very important that you actually have to have a liking towards that subject in order to do post graduation in. Secondly, if you feel that you should go to a clinic to observe cases and to at least, try your hands on seeing the procedures and getting to know procedures, you can. I'm not saying that it is too late to go there, but at least you can spare 1 or 2 months, and then you can like later start studying for NEET. Of course, there's nothing called as the right time to study for NEET. I think some people get it within 3 months of studying for NEET. Some people don't. So it is totally on your hard work, everything. But if you are a person like me who loves to explore something, matlab, I'm this person who will not do something without being firm on it. Matlab, I was a kid before, I agree. I used to try out things and I used to do things, but this is something that is going to stay with me, and that is going to, bag my career up. This is a decision which can make me here or here, both the ways. What if I end up with a branch which I don't like? What if I end up with something I don't want to do? What if I end up, in my my college days, I did not like ortho. Not because I was bad at studying ortho, I scored really well in ortho, but because of the fact I couldn't do wire bending properly. That cannot, I cannot decide if I like ortho or not, but I do know that I do not like the wire bending process, and I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in the studying part of ortho. But can that be a reason for me taking up ortho as PG? A big no, at least no for now. I would take time to know कि कहीं मुझसे ये हो जाएगा या नहीं होएगा, because UG में you can ask your friends to do things for you कि ठीक है एक टीथ सेटिंग तूने बना दिया, तूने मेरा कार्विंग कर दिया, तूने ये कर दिया. But PG में you cannot take that risk, and you should not also, because even though you know that later on you don't have to do all this, but you still should know how to do it, because that is what specialization is about, right? So if you do not have the knowledge about the subject, take your chance, go to a clinic, learn, see, observe, try. Even if you like endo, देखो कि क्या है endo में. Can you imagine yourself doing 10 RCs in a day? Can you imagine yourself doing multiple procedures on Sundays, because people are mostly free on Sundays, and RCs के तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा patients है. Can you see yourself doing crown cutting all day? You have to think, you have to process, you have to know what you like, what you don't like, in order to decide for yourself that you want to do PG or not. Blindly following everyone, blindly trusting on the fact कि हाँ मैं नीट के बाद डिसाइड कर लूँगा. Once an indecisive man is always an indecisive man. मैं अगर फूड कोर्ट में भी घूम लूँ और मैं तब भी नहीं डिसाइड कर पाऊँ ना मैं क्या खाऊंगी, तो मतलब मेरा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब इफ़ आई डोंट नो कि मुझे मॉल जाके सबवे खाना है या नहीं खाना है, मतलब डिसाइड ही नहीं हुआ है. मतलब आई विल टेक 2 rounds 3 rounds, बट आई वोंट बी एबल टू डिसाइड. सो जस्ट लाइक, I mean, everybody is in the same plate. You won't be able to decide as well. So it's better you start exploring, start jotting down कि suppose मुझे ऑर्थो में पढ़ना पसंद है, I do not like the clinical part. प्रोस्थो में मुझे clinical part पसंद नहीं है, but मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. You can like write and you can know if you want to do that subject or not. Blindly following it and going on things like कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए तो मैं प्रोस्थो करूँगी, एंडो इज़ ब्रेड एंड बटर, और पीडो में स्कोप है, या फिर ऑर्थो इज़ अ लाइक एक्सट्रीम स्पेशलिटी, अ जनरल डेंटिस्ट कैन नॉट परफॉर्म, तो मैं करूँगी. दोज रीजन्स आर राइट, बट यू हैव टू हैव अ लाइक टुवर्ड्स दैट सब्जेक्ट. आर many pros and cons of so many things which I am going to share in the next video. So this is my advice to every intern and every person who is in final year, third year, second year. If you have time, if you are getting that much exposure to watch patients, to observe patients, to observe the procedures, to know what you like or not, go ahead. Even if you like, simply just checking the patients, like suppose to मेरे को आजकल I'm posted in medicine and I'm really loving medicine. I used to love medicine back in final year also when I was in 4th first. I used to like love radio and love medicine. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं यही करूँगी, मतलब यही मेरी लाइफ है. But a lot of people kind of brainwashed me towards कि OMDR में करके क्या फ़ायदा है, इट्स अ नॉन क्लिनिकल ब्रांच. इफ़ यू डो मतलब यू हैव टू हैव अ कॉलेज का मतलब ऐसे एकेडमिक्स तुझे लेना पड़ेगा इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द स्कोप, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू ऐसे गो टू द क्लिनिक. सो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माई माइंड, बट जस्ट लाइक मी, डू नॉट get yourself brainwashed easily unless and until you try things out on yourself. Even if you like CD, I don't think anyone should judge you. अगर आपको research पसंद है, बाहर जाना है, and you like, there are some people who love CD, there are some people who love medicine, so it is fine. Explore the subject, decide for yourself, and then start studying. All the best to you guys, all the best to me too. See you in the next video.